In this video, I will introduce you to how to navigate the Kent Library website so that you can use its resources in your academic research for this and future classes. I believe the Kent Library should be your primary research tool. Google is great, and Wikipedia is often more reliable than some people let on, but Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines give you access to only about 10% of the information actually available on the internet. To get the other 90%, you have to pay for it, and the Kent Library does. A single database subscription can cost tens of thousands of dollars. That should tell you something about the quality of information available through Google versus the Kent Library. Google returns anything and everything on the free version of the internet without sorting through the results based on their credibility or quality. The Kent Library databases return results from scholarly journals, which means the articles are peer-reviewed, which means that experts have verified the credibility and quality of the source's information. Now that we're clear about why the Kent Library can be such a powerful research tool, let's look at the Kent Library website so that you'll know how to get to its resources. First, you will notice several quick links in the middle of the page. There are three especially important links or buttons: articles and databases, research and course guides, and books and media. Second, at the top of the page, you will see find materials and research help. You will find the same links, articles and databases, books and media, and research and course guides under these links. To start with, I will click on research and course guides. On this page, you will find a list of subjects and librarians. If you have no idea where to start researching your paper's topic, then this might be a good place to start. Let's say your topic is related to education. I can scroll down and click on education, and I will be taken to a list of research guides for different subfields of education, each created by a reference librarian who is an expert on this topic. These research guides list the databases, journals, and websites that are most relevant to this topic. So if you're unsure where to start, this guide can be a huge help. Now I will go back to the library homepage and click on articles and databases. Now I see a list of the databases available only through the Kent Library. Some of these databases are more general and broad, like Academic Search Complete, and other databases are specific to certain subjects, like ArtStore. If your topic fits within a certain field, like art or economics or English, then you may want to use one or more databases that are focused on that field. You can return results from only scholarly journals that publish articles about topics within that field. You may not know which databases are specific to which fields, but you can often tell from the title. For example, there is biology journals. Other times you may need to find the appropriate research and course guide. If all else fails, experiment with different databases. Now I'll go back to the home page and show you how to find books at Kent Library. Click on Books and Media. Then search for books the Kent Library currently has on its shelves. When you click on a book's title, you will see a wealth of information about it. Most importantly, you will see freely available online, which means you can access this source as an ebook and avoid leaving the comfort of your computer chair. But if a book is not available as an ebook, then you need to know how to find it on the shelf. The call number listed under the book's information is like the mailing address for the book. I'm going to go back to my results and find a different source And here's the call number for this source. So when you visit the library, you can use this number to locate the shelf location of the book. You will literally find the address or the call number on the side of the shelf, and then within that range of numbers you will find the book with this specific number in that particular shelf of all the shelves in the library. So this was a crash course in using the Kent Library. And my goal was not to make you an expert. My goal was simply to familiarize you with the library's website's content so that you can navigate from one resource to the next. With practice, you will learn how to use these resources more effectively, and in the meantime, you can always click How Do I to see a list of tutorials, or you can also click Ask Us at the top here to chat with a librarian, email a librarian, or text a librarian to get help with your research. Librarians can help you use databases, find books, and develop your research skills, and of course, I'm also available if you have any questions.